We chase a future where every choice is ours, a life unburdened by the daily grind. Financial freedom, they call it, the ultimate escape from the relentless demands of the world. But for many, this dream remains perpetually out of reach, a shimmering mirage on the horizon. We work harder, save more, and yet the finish line seems to recede with every step forward. A subtle tightening, a silent chain that binds us to a system we scarcely understand. We are told we are free, empowered by choice, masters of our own destiny. The algorithms relentlessly push us towards more consumption, more acquisition, more debt. Our lives become an endless accumulation, a gilded cage built with our own ambition. But what is the true cost of this so-called freedom? What are we sacrificing at its altar? Behind the glossy facades and aspirational narratives, a different reality churns. The very definition of freedom has been subtly warped, twisted to serve a different master. We are forever chasing the next milestone, the next pay raise, the next investment that promises liberation. This film exposes the hidden wires, the puppeteers pulling strings behind the scenes of our financial lives. It challenges the pervasive narrative that equates wealth with absolute autonomy. Is financial freedom truly about endless resources, or something far more fundamental? We are trapped not by a lack of money, but by a distorted perception of what money represents. This is the story of how our quest for security unwittingly leads us into a sophisticated illusion. It's time to look beyond the glittering promises and confront the shadows lurking within our economic systems. What if true financial freedom has nothing to do with how much we earn, but rather how we define prosperity itself? Join us as we peel back the layers of this societal construct and rediscover the path to genuine liberation. We all chase it, that whispered promise of a life unburdened, where time is your own and worries fade like mist. Financial freedom, they called it. The ultimate escape from the relentless cycle, a golden key to a boundless future. We bought into the dream, seduced by images of pristine beaches and effortless leisure, a life beyond the grind. The blueprints were clear: hustle, invest, leverage. Climb the ladder, build your empire, and true liberation awaits. With fervent hope, we dedicated our lives to the pursuit, pouring every ounce of energy into this elusive goal. Sleep became a luxury, relationships strained under the weight of ambition, and every moment was an investment. The screens glowed late into the night, numbers blurring, algorithms dictating our every waking thought. Priceless moments with loved ones slipped away, postponed until after we achieved our grand success. Every decision was high stakes, every venture a gamble. The pressure to succeed was a suffocating shroud. We accumulated assets, expanded portfolios, but each acquisition felt less like freedom and more like an added weight. Then came the numbers, impressive, undeniable. The net worth soared, the accounts overflowed. We had made it. Luxury cars, sprawling homes, exotic vacations, the symbols of freedom were finally ours to command. We tried to relax, to savor the fruits of our labor, but the phone never stopped buzzing, the market never slept. The freedom we envisioned felt less like liberation and more like a promotion to a more demanding role. Our investments needed constant monitoring, our assets required endless protection, and our wealth demanded unwavering attention. The quiet whispers of anxiety grew louder, revealing the true cost of this freedom: constant vigilance, endless worry. We were no longer beholden to a boss, but to the market, to algorithms, to the very systems we thought we'd escaped. The golden cage had materialized, beautiful and opulent, but its bars were thicker than any we'd known before. Despite the abundance, a profound emptiness settled in. The joy was fleeting, the peace elusive. Financial freedom wasn't an escape, it was a new form of captivity, a gilded prison of our own making. How could we be so wealthy, yet feel so utterly unfree? The paradox was a cruel, inescapable torment. The battle wasn't against poverty, but against the very definition of success, against a system that promised liberation but delivered deeper chains. The dream we chased had turned into a nightmare, revealing its true, terrifying form. We had traded one master for another, only this time, the chains were invisible, woven from our own ambition. The illusion shattered, leaving only the chilling truth: we never truly owned our freedom, only leased a more expensive cage. We'd been sold a dream, an escape route from the grind, yet many find themselves trapped deeper than before. The pursuit of financial freedom often leads to an even more elaborate prison. It's an illusion woven from debt and desire, a constant cycle of consumption disguised as aspiration. We chase phantom wealth, oblivious to the invisible chains. While we toil, a select few profit immensely from this perpetual pursuit. They design the game, and we are merely players in their grand design. Our time, our energy, our true passions are sacrificed on the altar of this promised liberation. We exchange real life for a digital ledger. Even for those who seemingly achieve it, the promised peace often remains elusive. The chase itself becomes the addiction, leaving an unsettling void. The real chains aren't forged from steel, but from limiting beliefs and societal pressures. We carry the weight of expectations, mistaking them for goals. This isn't just about money, it's about control. Control over our choices, our future, and ultimately, our very definition of success. But there comes a moment of stark clarity, a chilling realization that the path we're on is not leading to freedom, but further into the maze. This is where we stand at a crossroads. Will we blindly follow the well-trodden path, or dare to question the very foundation of this illusion? True freedom isn't found in a bank balance, but in the liberation of the mind. It begins with questioning, learning, and unlearning. We must dismantle the programming that tells us more is always better, that constant striving is the only virtue. It's time to redefine wealth. There is another way, a path built on awareness, intention, and genuine purpose. A path where true value transcends mere currency. This journey begins with knowledge. Understanding the mechanisms of control allows us to disarm them, to regain agency over our own lives. It's about building resilience, not just financially, but mentally and emotionally. Creating a life that is robust, not just rich. Let's redefine success, not by the size of our portfolio, but by the depth of our relationships, the richness of our experiences, and the impact we create. The illusion is powerful, but so is the truth. It's time to wake up, to stand firm, and to forge our own definitions of a liberated life. You are not alone in this awakening. Many are seeking clarity, questioning the narrative, and building a foundation for genuine well-being. We delve deeper into strategies for true autonomy, exploring paths that lead beyond the endless chase. This is just the beginning of understanding. Unlock critical insights and discover actionable steps to break free from the invisible chains. Your journey to true freedom starts now. Don't miss out on the next steps to dismantling the illusion. Join our community and empower your journey.